Hey there, welcome. So, picture this. You try to quickly and informally illustrate some technical ideas, maybe for a chat screen share or a casual brainstorming session. The problem is existing tools like Graphel and Affinity Designer feel a bit too complex for what you need. You basically want the simplicity of Ms. Paint, but with a twist support for the Apple Pencil on iPadOS 17.5. Your goal is to tidy up your doodles into shapes and connect them with wiggly lines, all while keeping that informal, lunchtime discussion vibe. Now, onto the solution. Have you heard of Apple's Freeform app? It's designed for creative collaboration and will be available on macOS Ventura and iOS 16, iPadOS 16, along with later devices. With Freeform, you can turn your casual sketches into tidy diagrams, perfect for those on-the-go brainstorming sessions. Plus, it supports Apple Pencil, so you can seamlessly transition from doodles to shapes while maintaining that laid-back, part discussion atmosphere. In a nutshell, Freeform is the answer to your informal diagramming needs. It strikes the perfect balance between quick and dirty doodles and polished diagrams, making it ideal for illustrating technical ideas in a relaxed setting. So why not give it a try and add a bit of creativity to your next brainstorming session? And remember, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts, maybe even draw your own wiggly line to hit that notification bell.